In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPhone 13 as webcam for Mac or Windows. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the main ways that you have to connect your iPhone to a Mac, laptop, or desktop, and also a Windows laptop or desktop. So if you have a MacBook, or a standard Mac desktop, this is going to be the most convenient way to do it. It has a native feature called continuity camera in the modern OS, and all that you have to do to use it is to make sure that you have the same iCloud account between both devices. So if needed, go over to the system preferences of your Mac and make sure that you see the same Apple ID that you are using on the iPhone displayed here. So once you are signed into the same iCloud account between both devices, all that you have to do is open any standard conference application such as Google Meet, Zoom, or even something like OBS, and if you look under the devices or the cameras, you will be able to find your iPhone's camera. You should also consider purchasing a bracket like this one. This one is officially licensed by Apple, so it is the Belkin iPhone mount with MagSafe for Mac notebooks, and as you can see, it allows you to easily attach your iPhone to the top of your MacBook. So by attaching it here, you will be able to comfortably position your iPhone and use the camera as a webcam. Of course, this is optional. If you would like an alternative solution that doesn't require that specific bracket, or that gives you some freedom, or that is compatible with Windows, then what you can consider using instead is Epoch Cam. This is an application that you download through the Play Store, so go over to the Play Store, download Epoch Cam, and you will be able to run this application simultaneously on your iPhone and your PC. So as you can see here, you have plenty of customization options. All that you have to do is download the app and follow inside of the app first for instructions. You can also use this application with a MacBook, so it's not strictly built for Windows. If you choose Windows for the alternative method, then you will need to download iTunes on your PC, and you can choose between using a wired connection or wireless. Just follow the instructions, download the necessary drivers, and with the app running on the background, you will be able to grant it the permission that it needs to act as a camera. Now, if you have the app running on your iPhone and you open the desktop application that you can download from this page here, you will be able to set it up accordingly. So you download it here for Windows, and when you open the camera hub, it is now going to be a detectable device across applications like OBS, Google Zoom, Google Meet, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to use iPhone 13 as webcam for Mac and Windows. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.